I need to get him to give me make me an intro. Well, goddamn, make me an intro, doggone it. Woo. Woo.
I'm on a slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slapping on my clutch, rolling on my throttle, on the custom seat, straight from Breezy Ryder. I didn't do no trade, the wings still in the garage. Stopped off in the smoky just to cop me a home. First thing I do is make it count for me, even if it mean breaking the warranty. Gotta get my shots right, I'm a big boy. Gotta pipe it out, feel it, hear that rumble noise. I'm on two wheel breeze, feel the peace, set the destiny, and seat times what ahead of me. They call me Slappy, let me take you on an adventure. I ride spring, summer, fall, even winter. I be camping out for a few hours. I like to hit it, feel that horsepower. Always shut the doors when I'm on the glide. I don't care club or night, just shut up and ride. Slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. I'm on a slab B adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up.
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me.
this video, man, I ain't gonna do a whole lot of talking. I got the GoPro going. Y'all stay tuned to the to the middle. Me and Woodrow had a little funny incident going on. Stay tuned for that. It was a it still makes me laugh thinking about it, but you know, we all getting older as men, and I'm just gonna say it right there so y'all can watch the whole video. But not gonna do a lot of talking on this, man, but we just out here still going down $1 Million Highway, almost to Durango in this video, and we just pushing on through, man, just having a ball, enjoying these rides and enjoying this cooler weather up here in Colorado. But I'm finna shut up and ride, and y'all ride along with me. Appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would sure appreciate it. Aye. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. But this is the time where I'm fixing to get real. This is real life. This is reality YouTube, right? This is riding, traveling, touring on a motorcycle with the guys or girls on some motorcycles out here in the middle of nowhere. Reality YouTube. And what I mean by that is we've been riding for quite a while, and I'm 55 years old, and I don't get to hold that water like I used to. And it's time to go to the bathroom. I got to go to the bathroom real bad. I'm looking back and forth, not at the pretty scenery, and really wasn't paying attention to this tunnel. But I was so glad to see this wide spot in the middle of nowhere on top of this mountain. As soon as I seen it, I hit that bad boy quickly. Do you hear me? Because I couldn't have went another mile. And I didn't know when those guys was going to stop, so I had to go shoot over here and do like them truck drivers do. Y'all stay tuned for when I trick Woodrow, because he's over here got to use the bathroom too. And I thought, hey, oh man, here come the state trooper. Here come the state trooper. Watch out, watch out. And we'll see what he got to say. But please excuse me while I relieve myself. Thank you. You got a P2, I'll wait on you. Yeah, take advantage. Woo! I had to take advantage.
I know what's that. This damn mountain make you want to piss all the time.
Boy, ain't that the truth? I said the police, boy, you cut that thing off.
Oh, man, I'm telling you.
Woo, Lord. All right, well, you gotta go, boy. I was looking for a spot.
Man.
Slope.
How about now?
Yeah, good. Yeah, we just pulled over there where that truck was at, used the bathroom.
Oh, where that big flat asphalt area is?
Yeah, we on our way.
Oh, okay. They're coming. Okay, we're on the side, so when we see you come around the curve, we'll jump out.
All right, take a picture of me going around that curve.
Oh, well, hold on a minute.
I'm joking.
Oh, yeah, I was going to do it.
We'll do it then, hell. You can't picture me flipping your bird. Yeah, that was them. They put on side of the roadway and all that.
Oh, okay.
Wendigo.
Let me take you on the adventure. Let's go. Let me take you on the adventure. Let's go. Let me take you on the adventure. Yeah, another slappy adventure. Let me take you on the adventure. Okay. Let me take you on the adventure. Okay. Let me take you on the adventure. Yeah, another slappy adventure. We gone on the way to Colorado. I just left Nova Scotia. Okay. In a little time that I get out, what you do? I'ma keep the two wheels rolling. Me and my hog didn't work out. When they got a DCT, nothing against my road glide. What this GoldWing mean? Welcome my page. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, please. Shout out to all my patriots. And everyone loving my content. I'm out here capturing moments. Yeah, meeting new people. I'm out here living the movie. Bringing you the sequel. Sometimes I end up the highway. Travel these back roads. I like to do it the slappy way. Long as the adventure get told. I'm outside. I like to ride wherever I decide. Where you wanna go? Get to talking that yin, yin, yin. I tell you to shut up and ride. Let me take you on the adventure. Let's go. Let me take you on the adventure. Let's go. Let me take you on the adventure. Yeah, another slappy adventure. Let me take you on the adventure. Okay. Let me take you on the adventure. Okay. Let me take you on the adventure. Yeah, another slappy adventure.
Man, I gotta say that Woodrow, R&B, Sloat, man, it's one of the best riding groups I had in a long time. It was just 4 of us, which is a great, group. Not too busy, nothing like that, but it would have been nice to have Mosley Moto Vlogs and Kelly B to do the whole trip with us, but I understand. Do what you can do and enjoy whatever it is, and then ease on back, and then we're going to continue on with the vacation. But we just out here riding around having a good time, man. Really wasn't no egos involved, and really wasn't nobody just really pushing the lead, and it's got to be their way or got to be this way or that way, man. It was just a real good no headache bunch of guys, man. They just was really just wanting to ride and go see what we gonna see, and didn't, nobody was just trying to outdo nobody or trying to be bossy or anything like that, man. No complaining. This is a no complain zone. Shut up and ride. I say it all the time. I love it, love it, love it. But this is one of my little movies that my mom likes to say, my movie. This is for you, mom and dad. This is where I get it from, traveling. But I just do mine on the motorcycle. Y'all come on ride with me for a little while. We still outside. Ow!
into it. Give it space. Take a moment, God, this yours.
Hit that like bell, baby. Share and subscribe. This is the dude.
Hey, Slappy, Cruiseman here.
It's Slappy's Adventure.
It's Slappy's Adventures.
Hey, it's Slappy Adventures.
Slappy's Adventures.
Slappy Adventures.
Slappy's Adventures.
That's Slappy Adventures.
Slappy Adventures.
Slappy Adventures.
Slappy Adventures.
Slappy Adventures, baby.
Slappy Adventures. Slappy Adventures.
Slappy Adventures.
Slappy Adventures. It's Slappy's Adventures. Slappy Adventures. Is it? You want to be on his channel. On three, Slappy Adventures. 1, 2, 3. Slappy Adventures.